What's going on? I'm here to run the random for the finest random team break. I appreciate the fill. We're gonna do this tonight. I'm not sure when. I think it's gonna be from the hospital. Never fun, but is what it is. Time is 2 p.m. Central Time. Same dice roll for both. There's our owner list. No snake eyes. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kirby on top. Rossi, Leipzig in the bottom. 19. We went 5 times over there just to make sure. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kirby, I believe that was you with the Yankees. Rossi, Mets. There we have it. Kirby, Yankees. The Angels went for a Q. We're done. I'll post that list up. Appreciate it, everybody. 2:23 p.m. Central Time.